Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we are differentiating this expression which has a surd as a denominator. So there are two problems. There's a denominator and it's a surd. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to deal with the surd. So we're going to rewrite this. The surd is dividing both of these expressions. So we're going to rewrite this as 3x squared and 5x. And we're going to rewrite this, root x is equal to x to the half. We're going to rewrite it as x to the half, x to the half. And so we've now got an expression that is at least in index form. And we can apply a simple index rule to simplify this further. Now we'll say that that is x to the power of 1 just for the sake of convenience. And let's go to work. So 3x, now x squared minus a half is x to the power of 3 over 2. And x to the power of 1 minus a half is x to the power of a half. So we now have an expression that we can work with. Each one of these terms is now in index form. That's the way we want it. No denominator. Right, so bring this down. 3 on 2 times 3x to the power of 3 over 2. Now, I'm going to subtract 1, but I'm going to do so by creating a fraction with the same denominator as this that is equal to 1. So 2 over 2 is equal to 1. I'm subtracting 1. But it makes this subtraction really, really easy. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. So we're going to have a half times 5 x to the half minus 2 over 2. It's a really, really simple thing to do. And it probably doesn't matter where you've got fractions like this, but where you've got some genuinely unpleasant fractions to deal with, it really makes life easier. Okay, so that is 9x to the half all over 2. So 3 3s are 9, denominator is 2, 3 over 2 minus 2 over 2 equals 1 over 2, a half, plus 5 over 2, a half of 5 is 5 over 2, x to the negative 1 half. Okay, now that is the job done, technically speaking. That's the differential of what you saw at the top of the page. But we were given this problem with x to the half expressed as a surd. So the general rule is that if you get a question in this form, if it's possible, put it back into this form when you write your answer. So x to the half is equal to root x. So this first one is pretty easy. That's 9 root x on 2. Let me get that into frame for you. 9 root x on 2. This one we'll do a tiny bit of work on. This negative here, if we move the x down to the denominator, this becomes positive. So the process is as follows. 5 over 2 root x. This is the square root of x. And so this is our answer. And that is how you differentiate something with a surd as a denominator and how you put it back into index form, how you move it from index form to surd form. And so this is f prime x. That's our answer. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.